Hello everybody, welcome back to Food Channel. Today we are going to see how to make a very simple, tasty and crispy potato fry. Let's see how to make this. For this I have taken 750 grams of potato, pressure cook it for 1 or 2 whistles and then peel the skin off and cut it into small cubes. 2 medium sized onions, thinly chopped. 1.5 teaspoons of red chili powder. You can increase or decrease as per your requirement. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and required amount of salt. Heat 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan. After it's hot, put the onion. Let it slightly change color. That will be enough. Otherwise, it will start getting very dark after putting the potatoes in. Now ginger garlic paste. Now add in the potatoes. Immediately add in the red chili powder and the required amount of salt. Mix it all well and just leave it on the stove and let it get crispy. Keep flipping it so that it does not start to burn. Let the stove be in medium-low itself. After 20 minutes, now the potatoes are nice and crispy and it's ready to be served. So please try this recipe at home and give your comments below. Like and share this video and please subscribe to Food Channel. Thank you.